Let's make some homemade butter and buttermilk. For this, you will need only one ingredient, which is thickened cream. I'm using 300 ml here. The first step is you want to add your thickened cream into your stand mixer with your whisk attachment attached. You then want to close your mixer and set it onto the whipping setting. The cream will go through 3 stages. It will go through the whipping stage, over whip stage, and then it will start to separate into butter and buttermilk. As you can see here, it's gone into the first stage, which is the whipping stage. Next, it's gone into the over whip stage where it starts to separate. And now you can see it's gone into the final stage where it starts to separate into butter and buttermilk. At this stage, you want to cover it with a tea towel to stop the buttermilk flying everywhere. After around 5 minutes, it should be completely separated and you can turn the mixer off. At this stage, you want to strain your mixture over a strainer so you can separate the butter and buttermilk. Once that's done, you want to make sure you've tapped all that buttermilk out of that butter and store it into a glass jar, and you can use this for any baking. Next, you'll want a jug full of iced water so we can wash the butter. You'll want to wash this roughly around 2 to 3 times just to ensure you get all that buttermilk out. The more buttermilk you get out, the longer the butter will last. You can also choose to salt your butter, but I am choosing just to leave it unsalted. So as you can see here, I'm just squishing it out with my hands to ensure I've rinsed all that buttermilk out. And I'm about to empty my jug just to repeat it a second time. And here I am doing the second round of rinsing. Once I feel like I've gotten all the buttermilk out, I'm going to squeeze all the excess water out and I'm going to shape it on some baking paper. Once I've shaped it, I'm going to store it in the fridge overnight before I use it on some freshly baked bread. This will last roughly 2 weeks in your fridge, longer if you salted it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today. It is super quick and easy. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.